Pero alam mo ba kung bakit mahirap talaga palitan si Kyler Kelly?
Bakit?
His contract is guaranteed. From what the sources are telling me, he is getting slightly over $60,000 a month guaranteed. Plus, may $50,000 release fee daw. So, sobrang mahal kung i-release mo. Okay, let's just say, ano na siya, naka 1 month and a half na siya. So, he still has 2.5 months left na guaranteed. So, you're talking about $130,000, $140,000 plus yung release fee so, na 50. So, more or less, $190,000. Tapos, mag-bring ka ng bagong import, gigaranti mo naman yung isang month doon, babayaran mo yung airfare niya, round trip, ilagay mo ng isang accommodation, whether it's a condo or a hotel. So, ang logistics, mahirap. So, that is why it is less likely na mapalitan tong si Kyler Cole.